welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Copacetic Monthly for the month of April. As I always say, if you're new to the Copacetic Monthly, essentially the Copacetic Monthly is a monthly makeup subscription for $12 a month. With that you get one pressed eyeshadow, one mini lip product, one mini nail polish, and a mystery item. And the best part, you have the option to customize your box each month, which makes it so much more fun. There will be timestamps in the description box as well as product links for everything I'll be sharing with you today. Of course, as I talked about in my last video, I am now a Copacetic Cosmetics affiliate. So if you purchase anything from CopaceticCosmetics.com, feel free to use my affiliate code. The code is It's Casey Wilson, and that will save you 10% off your purchase. Since it is an affiliate code, I do earn a small commission each time it is used, so no pressure. However, know that I greatly appreciate it if you do. The theme this month is the Anaconda box. And since there's no collaborator, I went ahead and looked up some fun facts about anacondas. I didn't go too in depth because I didn't know, maybe some of you were freaked out by snakes and I didn't want to go on and on and on about snakes and just have you click off the video. So if you're not interested at all in the fun facts, you can skip to this timestamp here. I don't know if I'm scared of snakes or if I'm just grossed out by them and the fact that their facial expression is always the same. You never know what they're thinking. Okay, maybe I'm a little afraid of snakes. The green anaconda is the largest snake in the world, females generally being larger than the males. They can grow up to 30 feet long, be 12 inches in diameter, and can weigh up to 550 pounds. Can you even imagine coming across a creature like that? Something that is 30 feet long. That's like 5 or 6 of me. 220 pounds. A foot wide?
Immediately no. Immediately no.
What do you even do? Do you run? Do you just stand there and hope it doesn't see you? I don't know, I wouldn't make it. I don't think I'd make it. Luckily, for me anyway, they're native to northern regions of South America, so I'm not going to be running into anacondas anytime soon, which is great. Great for me. Hopefully the closest I'll ever get to an anaconda is this Copacetic Monthly collection. So with that, let's get back to the box. Also going to talk about another collection Copacetic released this month for $2 Tuesday because I feel that it perfectly complements the items in this month's box. I'm so stinking excited for this collection. So I have the complete collection, all 5 shadows here to share with you. I did purchase these on my own. I was so excited to have the opportunity to buy them before they released so that I could play with them and do swatches for you. Being a neutral lover, I have a weakness for greens, especially these grungy, earthy greens. Oh, delicious. But guess what this collection is called? All of You. How stinking cute. And if any of you have been around for a while and you happen to watch my video I did a couple years ago, it was my makeup predictions for 2020. To this day, I think it's still one of my favorite videos I've ever done just because it was so fun. In that video, I talked about how much I longed for ColourPop to make a monochromatic palette. It was around that time when they were doing all of the monochromatic 9-pan palettes. How I longed for them to do a grungy olive green palette and call it All of You. I just couldn't believe that wasn't something ColourPop had already done. It just seemed so obvious, so cute. But now I'm so relieved they never did it, and instead Copacetic Cosmetics has come through with my long-awaited All of You collection. Like I said, these were released on May 3rd, which was $2 Tuesday. The first Tuesday of every month, Copacetic will release a new collection of eyeshadows and have them for sale on that Tuesday only for $2 a piece. And then after that, they go up to the normal price of $5. So unfortunately, this video will come out after $2 Tuesday. However, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm always sure to let you know when $2 Tuesday is coming up, what the choices may be. I remind you when it's the day of, so feel free to give me a follow there if you want to stay updated. However, these shadows should be up and available to purchase on the website now for $5 each. Let me know if you pick any of them up. Let's get back to the Anaconda box. The very first item I have to share with you is my nail polish. This is the shade Unhinged. It is described as a green gold magnetic polish. The other 2 polish choices this month were Coils, which is a deep olive green metallic polish, and 90 PSI, which is a green gold holographic glitter bomb. I had such a hard time choosing which polish to get this month. Everything, literally everything, all of the choices in this month's box were so hard for me to decide because I wanted it all. I loved everything. But I decided to go with this particular polish because it reminded me of a nail polish one of my babysitters had. I remember when she babysat me, we would paint our nails together, and she had this really cool grungy green metallic polish that I just loved. Most of the polishes my mom and I had were pinks, purples, reds, within that color family. So this green metallic was just so cool and so unique to me. This was around the time when all the smiley faces, and if you remember, scented nail polish was super trendy. Anyone remember scented nail polish? Whatever happened to that? Why'd that go away? It's not like it was weird at all in the middle of the day to just sit and sniff your fingernails. Oh, such great memories. Anyway, this shade reminded me of that polish. I have not had the opportunity to paint my nails yet. I didn't actually plan on filming today. It just sort of worked out that way, but it looks cool. I just know I'm gonna love it. Being that I have such special memories tied to this color, I have no doubts that I'm gonna enjoy it. The lip product I chose this month is the shade Snake Eyes. It's described as a green to peach lip gloss that is mango banana cake scented. The other lip product this month was Dark and Damp, which is a grungy green brown liquid lipstick. The color is one of my favorite duochrome type colors ever. It's that gold to green to red flip with lots of sparkle. Oh, I don't know, something about it just drives my heart wild. I have tried this on once, I couldn't resist, but let's put it on again. How cool. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up how flippy and cool it is in person, but it's so cool. It's not crazy intense, it's just enough. It's just enough for my neutral heart to feel comfortable wearing this out in the world. I'm very excited about this. Next, the eyeshadow I chose this month is the shade Slither. It is described as a muted jade with gold aura. The other three choices this month were the shade Scales, which is a deep grungy green with micro gold shimmer, Constrictor, which is a vivid yellow green with micro gold shimmer, and Burrows, which is a warm toned grungy brown green. I love this color. I love this color as a halo eye, as something to brighten up the inner corner. And like I said earlier, I think this just perfectly complements the All of You collection. I love it all. And last but not least, the mystery item I received this month is a pressed highlighter. This is the shade Snake in the Grass, and it is a grungy, sagey green highlighter. Hear me out though, it's cool. I like it. I like it a lot. It's very similar to my eyeshadow Slither, except the highlighter, it has this sort of iridescence to it, that highlight iridescent look, whereas Slither is more of a metallic finish. This I did use today. I dusted some on the inner corner of my eyes. It's not crazy intense. It could probably be built up to be more green and intense, but I think for the most part, especially if you use it as a highlighter, it's just gonna give you this really pretty cool toned iciness. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one, especially using it as an inner corner highlight when I do more cool tone looks. Of course, it's not gonna be for everyone, but I'm personally very excited about it. Very excited about it. And that wraps up the Anaconda box. That was everything I received in my Copacetic Cutie for the month of April. I know I say this every time that it's hard for me to pick a favorite product, but this month, man, they killed it with the Copacetic Monthly.
You go, girl!
This is my favorite box yet. Like I said, I had a very hard time picking my one selection for each category this month because I wanted it all. I wanted it all real bad. But I think my favorite is the Snake Eyes lip gloss because it's so cool. I'm weak for this type of color flip, the gold, the green, the red. I have many eyeshadows with this duochrome. I've actually thought about creating a video sharing all of my favorite gold, green, red, flippy type eyeshadows. If you'd be interested in that, let me know. But I'm so excited to have it in a gloss. Obviously, maybe not an everyday gloss, but it's so fun. I love it. I'd love to hear what your favorite item was this month. Was there anything in this month's collection that caught your eye? What are your thoughts on the All of You collection? Was there anything you're thinking about picking up? Let me know down below. I'd also love to know if any of you are subscribed to the Copacetic Monthly. My Copacetic Monthlies are some of my better performing videos, and I always notice a few new subscribers after I post each one, so I'm just curious if any of you subscribe to the Copacetic Monthly, and or if you've purchased anything from Copacetic Cosmetics. What do you love? What do you recommend? What should I get next? Are there any products that you are interested in that you'd love to see that maybe I could swatch or review for you? Let me know below. Lastly, I just want to apologize in advance because I have a couple of Copacetic Cosmetics related videos in the works right now. I'm currently working on my swatch videos, which is going to end up being 2 separate videos. I also made a tutorial using some of my favorite Copacetic shadows. So those 3 videos coupled with my Copacetic Monthly, I just feel like it's going to be a lot of Copacetic cosmetic videos coming at you in a very short amount of time. They are a brand that I really am loving right now, so I'm so excited to share each of those videos with you. But I did just want to apologize and give you a heads up in advance because I didn't want to seem like I'm bombarding you with Copacetic Cosmetics, especially since now becoming an affiliate. I just don't want to send the wrong message. So I'm going to try to space them out and give you different types of content between each one. But being that I'm only able to share a couple videos a month, just want to give you a heads up. I want to thank you so much for your time today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you hit that subscribe button so you can come back next time. And until next time, I hope you have the most wonderful day. It's too early for that. As I always say, I'm gonna one pressed eyeshadow, one mini nail polish. Just forgot. And then I will get into each, and then we will get in, my God, just say the words, woman. And then we will get into each product I received this month. I will show close-up swatches so you can see for your blah, 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 blah. And then we'll get to, and then to close things out, I'll share each product. Okay. And then to close things out, I'll share my, there's no P in favorite.